Good morning! We are heading to Robinson's Guy as school shoes for Zion. Oh, I think the baby is sleeping already. Okay, I will see you soon. So nice. It's not raining. He's driving. Take care, Daddy. Be cool.
Mama going.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Many flags. We are in EDSA. Alamin natin ang kalagayan ng trapiko ngayon dito sa Maynila. Medyo maluwag ang daan. Okay, you can ride now at Tom's World. Horse, you like? Tap the boost, tap the boost. Steering, yan. Good job. Oh, nice. Good job. Five. Tuwang-tuwa ang bata. Okay. Wait lang, si. Okay, you pointed to the panda dito. Oh. And is eating salmon. Here at H&M. Shoes. School shoes, walang pa.
I know.
Pambabae yan. That's for girl. That's a skirt. There's your shorts here. And we're checking some shoes for Zion. Come here, Zion. Sleeveless. Oy, Z, what are you doing?
I'm doing this.
Zion is eating yayo mango. It's yummy. While waiting for the chicken. Wow, can I have? It's mommy's turn now. Okay, we are here at SM. The brand of the shoes is old. Malaki. Malaki? Saan po nung isang pares ko? Z, go to daddy.
One more. Let's
Hindi masikip, Z.
Go.
Hindi, sakto naman sa kanya yan.
okay na.
Saan ka pupunta, Z? You want to wear it? Ay, sige. Ay, okay. Do it again. Do it again. Hindi na, do it again. Kasi, you keep on doing like this, oh?
Yan yung titinda.
1 egg.